Hello guys, today we will analyze the problem on the beam by using slope and deflection method. So problem is determine the support moment if the support B means this support B sink by 10 mm. The moment of inertia I is equal to 1.316 into 10 to the power 8 mm to the power 4 is given. Then modulus of elasticity E is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square is given. So this beam is given. The beam having the left end with the fixed supports and other supports are the hinge supports. So now we will find the fixed end moment for the each span. So let us see this span AB. So fixed end moment for the span AB, FMAB is equal to FMAB is equal to minus WL by 8. In this case the W is 80, L is 6 divided by 8. So we are getting minus 60 kilonewton meter. Similarly we will find the fixed end moment from B to A. So FMBA is equal to plus WL by 8. So WL by 8, 80 multiplied by 6 divided by 8, we are getting the plus 60 kilonewton meter. Then next span B to C. For the span B to C, but in this case the load is not located at the center. So then we will use another formula. For that, FMBC is equal to minus W A B square by L square. So therefore the value of W is 80. What is the A? 2 meter. B is a 3 meter divided by 5 square. So we are getting minus 57.6 kilonewton meter. Next, FC to B. C to B we can write a formula plus W. Now in this case B A square by L square. So plus 80 multiplied by B is a 3, A is a 2 square divided by 5 square. So we will get the 38.4 kilonewton meter. Then fixed end moment from C to D, FMCD is equal to minus WL square by 12. So W in this case is a 30, L is 4 meter divided by 12. So we are getting minus 40 kilonewton meter. Similarly, FM D to C is equal to plus WL square by 12. So we can put same value 34. We are getting plus 40 kilonewton meter. So we are getting all the fixed end moments. Now we will find the final moments, or we can write the formula for the final moment for the each span. So from A to B, B to A, B to C, C to B, C to D, D to C. For each span we will write now the final moment formula. So first upon final moment from A to B, the formula will be for the final moment for the A to B will be MAB is equal to, we already know how to get the formula. So this will be FMAB fixed end moment plus 2 EI by L. Then this end is a nearer end, that is why we will take twice theta A. This end is a far end, that is why we are taking theta B plus or minus, whatever may be, minus time being we will write just a minus. So 3 delta by L. Now we will put the respective values. We will get the equation FMAB. So we are getting FMAB is equal to minus 60 plus twice. What is the value of EI? The value of EI we are getting 26.32 into 10 to the power 3. And this L divided by L is a 6 meter. So 6. Then 2 Now theta a, value of theta a will be 0. Why theta a will be 0? Because at this end there is a fixed support. So when the fixed support is there, so it will not allow to deflect the beam. So no rotation, no moment, no rotation. So at this end the rotation is 0, means theta is equal to 0. At this end theta is equal to 0. So that is why we are taking theta a value is equal to 0. Just put the value theta a multiplied by 0 plus theta b. At this end hinge support is there, but the beam is deflected from the hinge support, means this support will permit the movement, means rotation is there. So we can say there is a theta b is there, theta a is 0, so theta b is there. Then now 3 delta by minus 3 delta by L or plus 3 delta by L. So we can see support B is sinking. So this is the support B, है ना, and beam will be deflected like this between this between A to C. It will be deflected like this, है ना. The beam will be deflected like this. So at this end the left hand portion will be subjected to the hogging. Left hand portion will be subjected to the hogging, and right hand portion of this support be subjected to the sagging, है ना. Left hand portion subjected to the hogging and this right hand portion subjected to the sagging, है ना. This is hogging and this is the sagging. That is why the deflection at this end we will considered as a value related to the deflection will be considered as a negatives, and the value toward this end considered as a positive. So we keep this as a negative. So minus 3 delta is equal to 0.01 divided by L is 6. So we will get the final equation for span AB, final end moment for span AB. M AB is equal to minus 103.87 plus 8.773 into 10 to the power 3 theta b. This will be equation number 1. Similarly, we can find the final moment formula for the span BA, then for the final moment formula for the span BC, then final moment for the span CB, then final moment for CD, then final moment for the DC. So we are obtained these equations MAB, MBA, MBC, MCB, MCD and MDC, है ना. So then we will be use the conditions of few conditions, means at the B this joint is in the equilibrium because it is the stable. So if it is the stable, then final moment, summation of final moment MBA and MBC will be 0. So MBA plus MBC will be equal to 0, means this joint is in the equilibrium, means sum of the moment at this end, sum of this moment at this end means will be equal to 0. Then next joint C, joint C. Joint C is also in the equilibrium because it is the stable, means the moment, final moment at this end and final moment at this end, both the sum will be equal to 0. So MCB plus MCD, this will be equal to 0. Next, third condition, the moment, because at this end there is a hinge support, and a hinge support is having it will not having it will permit the moments, it will permit the movement. If it permit the moments, means there is no reaction of the movement. So MDC will be equal to 0. So we are having the three condition, MBA plus BC equal to 0, MCB and CD is equal to 0, and MDC is equal to 0. So we are getting the three equation. So we are getting three equation. So very easily we can find the value of theta B, theta C and theta D, and by using all this value we will put the respective simultaneous equation in the equation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will get the final moments. We will get the final moments after putting the value of theta A is equal to 0 is there, theta B, theta C and theta D, that value will be put in this respective equation. So we will get the values MAB, MBA, MCB, MDCD and MDC. That final values we can obtain, and we can draw the final bending moment diagram. That is okay.